up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I have a little project here I want to show you. This was a little tiny card kit that I got from a paper pumpkin kit from Stampin' Up! Way back in June of 2019. And while I was going through boxes and reorganizing some things this weekend, I found it. And I thought to myself, why in the world did I never do these? But I think I know why. I think it's saved for a time such as this. And these are just little tiny cards like this. And they're meant to use as a way of sharing how much you care, or that type of deal. You know, sharing is caring. And that was what was mentioned on the paper pumpkin kit. Anyway, so it came with these and had different sentiments on it. This one says, thank you, it meant so much. My day is better because of you. And you are amazing. Just a little smile. But these are all like little cards that you can tuck in your purse or whatever and take with you. And when somebody does something nice or somebody looks like they need a word of encouragement, you can hand them one of these cards. And so what I did is I made each of the cards. These are them right here. So, and then they had this style here. And the envelopes are really cute with them. Just a little smile, and they're all the same basically. And then these, I think this one is my favorite. But then they sent this cute little thing right here. Came with the envelopes, and you stick them in the envelope, and then you can, this little carrying case, and then you can put a whole bunch in your purse, and this right here, drop this in the purse, and then when you come across somebody that needs a little encouragement, or a word, or somebody did something nice for you, and you just want to hand it out, then you'll have them available. Well, I thought to myself, isn't that a great idea for right now with all the things that we are going through with this COVID mess? And I thought, you know, anybody could do this, and you don't have to have a card kit to do it. So I've been making some up. This is just made from some paper that I had. I made a little card with some leftover pieces that I had. It says, you make my day special. This little card, you can write a little handwritten note inside. And then I just made the envelope. I thought I would show you how I did this. And so the paper that you need a little scrap of paper, honestly. And this is a little piece of paper, and it is, let's see. The paper is 4.5 by 3.5. So that when you fold it in half, you get a little card that's 2.25 by 3.5. And so then you just take a piece of paper to make the little envelope with it. And I have a little scrap of paper right here. And the envelope for this is, whoops, let me get all my stuff out of the way here. The envelope for this would be 5.5. So we're just going to cut a little piece of paper, 5.5 by 5.5. This is a great way to use up scraps that you might have in your stash and do something a little nice with them too. So that is going to be for the card. Now to do this card, it's got these pretty little flowers right here on it. And so I just made another little stamp that says, you made my day special. And I'm just going to glue this on here. Like that. And then I have some of these cute little dots that I got from Queen & Company when they sent me their die to try. And they're just really, really cute. So I thought I would put a couple on there. I'm going to use the back of my scissors to lift this off. And maybe just put one right there. And a little star right here. And then maybe just put one up here that's not quite so shiny, because they have the regular ones too. And so you just have a cute little card. And then all we have to do is make the envelope. And of course, you know, I'm going to use the envelope punch board for that. I'm just going to put these back in here so I don't lose them. And then I'm going to use my envelope punch board. And on this, a 5.5, I'm going by, the closest envelope size to this is 2.5 by 3.5. And the envelope size is 5.5. So we're gonna do that. And the punch line border is 2 3/8. So we're just gonna come down here to 2 3/8 and punch and score. And then we're gonna line that up with that score line. Punch and score. And then we're going to line that up with our score line. Okay. So you only have to use that measurement one time when you're using the punch board. The rest of the time you just line your, thing up with your lines. And then we're just going to fold up our envelope. Now what I did on the brown envelope, and I'll do it on this one too because I really don't like that long point there. Then we have this cute little envelope. I'm trying to decide which one I like better, the pink or the, I think I like the pink. All I'm going to do is take my scissors and cut across here like this, just to trim that off so that it's nice and even across there. I'm going to take my bone folder and score these down a little bit. And then I'm just going to take a little glue and put it on here. Now, if you made some little assembly line, got you a bunch of scraps together, you can make a whole bunch of these in no time. I sat down the other night and made all of these probably in less than an hour. And then I have my little thing over here. This one lost its sticky thing. I'm just going to stick it on the back to sort of match the envelope. And then we have a little card. You can also write your own little message in there and then slide it into the envelope. And then you can have a little quick note to give to somebody as a word of thanks. Let them know they made your day special if they've done something nice to you or for you. And I thought this is a great little way just to spread a little cheer. Very quick and easy. Use up a bunch of scraps that we know we all have in our stash. And, yeah. So I thought I would share that with you today. I just thought these were really cute. And I think I didn't do them at the first because I really didn't know what I was going to do with them. But I think I waited till now because I have the moment to know what to do with them. And this is really quick and easy. So I hope you'll give this a try and spread a little cheer wherever you may have to go, or wherever somebody takes you, or you know somebody just needs a word of encouragement. It might be that cashier that's just frazzled at the grocery store. Just give her a little card that says just a little smile or thank you. If you have to get out and do something, cheer somebody up. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all tomorrow for a Dollar Tree haul. So please come back and join me for that. Have a wonderful day. Bye.